Breathe in, hands up. Breathe out, forward bend. Bring your chest and chin close to the knees. If you can't, hold your calf, chest and chin close to the knee. And breathe in, arms up. Breathe out, hands sideways. Rotate your hands, hold your right heels, hold your left heels. Push your stomach ahead, turn your neck back, breathe normally. Turn your right hand front, then left hand. If you can't do this, put your hands on your waist, push your stomach ahead, turn your neck back and hold. Breathe normally. Chin touch, palm next to the chest. Breathe in, lift your chin up, shoulder up, chest up and belly up. Watch ahead. Breathe normally. Slowly can come down. If your back hurts, try this. Lift your chin up, chest up, till your belly. Breathe normally. Take your legs towards your head. Take palm support. Take your leg towards ceiling. Watch your toe. Balance and stays. Or you can try this. Take your leg back, palms on the ground and slowly come back. Right leg over the left thigh, left leg over the right thigh. Take palm support, curve the back, rest the top of the head on the ground, palms on the thigh. Or grab your toe, rest your elbow on the ground. Breathe normally. Take palm support, turn the neck and relax. Can't do this? Take palm support, turn the neck, rest your head down, point your toes, hands on the thigh and stay. Palms under the hips, turn the neck, rest yourself.